Samuel loves to take the train into the city, but he really doesn't like shopping. His little legs get tired running in and out of all the stores, and eventually Samuel lets go of his mother's hand. That's when he spots something incredible in the street. A little dog fast asleep, soaking up a beam of sunshine which had found its way between the tall buildings. Samuel decides to curl up next to the sleeping little dog, and soon they're joined by others looking to enjoy the sunshine and a few moments of relaxation. Discover how one little boy and a sleepy little dog teach everyone in the big city how to take time to relax in this wonderfully illustrated tale that will delight members of the whole family. Available online at www.rememberingwisdom.com.